So guys, with that, well, today I'm going to be showing you it's called it's a tutorial of how to play Roblox. So you have to download this game called Roblox. The spelling is Roblox, and it's a square with a square inside of it. It's a black square with a gray square inside of it. So yeah, you will find that, and yeah, so you have to you have to install it, and then you will have to log in and do that, and then you will have your account. Then you can go over here into this, and then you can customize your character, like there is body, skin, heads, faces, torsos, all that stuff, and then clothing you can see. And if you and you might be seeing lots of things in the Roblox catalog, but actually there you need to buy them with Robux. And if you don't know what Robux is, it is money in Roblox. Since I don't have any Robux, I can't buy anything like this. So yep, pretty soon I'll be getting Robux. So yep, then I have to pay for the Robux. So yep, that's how you customize your character. Then this is how, it says over here that you can have friends. So you have to push this button called add friends. Then you can search any name, and yeah, so you can do that, and you can get friends like that. So it's pretty easy, guys. So it's pretty fun. And then over here we have lots of things, like we have games over here, we have our customize and stuff, Then we have our chat over here, you can chat. And then there are more things like catalog, and in the catalog there's stuff. Then premium, you have your profile, if you get friends you can get that. And then we have groups, you can actually join groups. I'm not in any group, so I'm going to show you how to join groups. So we're going to search I am Sana, and let's see, I don't really see a I am Sana group. So we're going to search Moody TWIN, Moody Unicorn Twin. Oh well, if you get that, like any group, you can find a group and then join it. So like that. So it's pretty fun, and you can also create your group, but it costs 100 Robux. So yeah. And then we have help, settings, blog, create, messages, events, groups, friends, my feed, about, quick login, inventory, messages, events, groups, profile, friends, and premium and catalog. So these are all the things. And logout, there's logout, we can't log out. So there are a bunch of games, and then you can play a game by just clicking on the green button, and then you can start playing it. So it's pretty fun. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this Roblox tutorial was helpful. So yeah, thank you guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button, and if you do that, then you'll know all the time that I post. So thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.